How to test proxy speed and performance before buying. If you're looking to invest in proxies, one thing you should never ignore is speed and performance. Testing your proxy before buying helps you avoid slow, laggy connections or faulty services. A good proxy should provide stable performance, minimal latency, and reliable uptime. Start by choosing a provider that offers free trials or money back. Guarantees. This allows you to test the service without any risk. One of the most trusted options out there is IP Royal. You can join IP Royal for free using the link in the description below. During your trial, use tools like speedtest.net, PingPlotter, or browser-based speed tests to evaluate download and upload speeds. Also, test the proxy's ability to bypass geo-restrictions and work with platforms like Google, YouTube, and social media. If the proxy frequently disconnects, shows IP leaks, or causes websites to crash, it's not reliable. IP Royal proxies maintain strong connection integrity, high anonymity, and fast response time across multiple locations. These are things you want when browsing or managing data online. So don't guess, test your proxy first. Check the link in the description to try IP Royal now.